KittiesMama. I'm Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be doing what I named the Mr. Krabs Challenge.
And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when we upload more.
We're going to take these claws, we're going to replace our hands with them and try to make food items.
You have to do everything with the claws, including opening up the fridge door, getting out the milk, unscrewing the cap, and pouring it with the claws.
I got it.
This could go horribly wrong.
We're doing 3 items, and we're going to be making cereal, and then we're going to be making a sandwich of our choosing, and then we're going to be making a Krabby Patty.
But first, we're going to decide who gets to make what.
We're going to take this die and we're each going to pop it. And whoever has the highest die number gets to choose the first choice. Whoever's the second highest gets to choose the second choice. And the third highest, gets to have the one that is left.
You got it. It's
The
fine.
lowest.
Okay, let's go.
Explaining things is hard. All right, I'm rolling first.
Basically, the third person gets
Emma
the
got
one
a
left.
I got a 6.
I am so proud.
I got a 2.
I got a 1.
Okay, Emma, go.
All right, I choose the sandwich.
Oh, boo. I choose the cereal because Noah wants to do the burger.
Yay, I get the burger.
Consider it, wow. So cereal's first because it's breakfast, and Jonah's going to be performing the act of cereal, which
The act of cereal.
Yeah.
I don't think there's such
The
thing
act
as
of
an
cereal
the
making.
act of cereal.
I don't think cereal's a verb.
We have knockoff Cocoa Puffs and
Marshmallows.
This box is empty. Yeet. Okay, so I'm gonna be using. Actually, let's see what else we got down here. This is an option. So I'm gonna be making this. I did this out of Orbital. I would have gotten my bowl first. Let me get my.
Let me get my cereal. This was a good idea.
I got it. Done. I'm gonna put in my cereal first.
See, I always make sure we have milk before pouring in the cereal.
Yeah.
You gotta put some water on that cereal.
Some water.
Sorry, Micah, but we're out of Fruit Loops now.
Nice.
I got it. No, I got it.
There is a better way to do this.
You're wrong. No, it's not gonna work.
Well, press those buttons.
I'm gonna do it like that.
Because really we don't want to break the claws, so.
Okay, let's get the milk.
You have to use 2 claws.
No, I don't.
Oh my gosh.
Jonah, when I did it, I used 2.
I have an idea, and I have a dream. Just like
Oh.
Martin Luther King Jr. It's fine.
It was all good.
Okay. Okay.
Come on, Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs made everything look easy.
Well, Mr. Krabs always had SpongeBob do everything, right?
Yeah, Mr. Krabs is getting ready to Krabby
Mr. Krabs just dealt with the money.
Money.
Oh, I have a good idea.
What is going on?
Shoot it and drop it.
Hold on, I have a good idea. I'm gonna use this stool over here. I'm gonna get it up on this stool.
Oh my gosh. Can you use his mouth?
Yeah.
Break your jaw.
Was that the Arizona green tea incident?
Hey!
Jonah's
No.
got it.
Oh!
Yay!
Like I
Done.
said,
Give
it's
yourself a
so
claw clap.
How in the world is he gonna open it?
Michael, let's see.
Magic.
He got this.
Nope, that's not.
That's how I had to do it.
Gross. It's not gonna work, Jonah. Wait, you
Let's
have to.
get right on into it. Okay, it's gonna fall over. Why is it so full?
Got that new milk.
Money shot.
Bless you.
Oh my gosh, there's no way to do it. There's no way to do it. Unless I use my arm as like a prop. Because that's not my hand.
Mr. Krabs. Whoa. Whoa.
I didn't spill it. Okay, let's go ahead and
I'm your foot.
get your disgusting foot out of here.
Hey,
Someone already had it kind of open, so I want to use a baby spoon though.
that's not gonna get any cereal.
Why don't you just eat it with the claw?
Because you won't get any milk. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Oh my gosh.
It's so hard.
Just eat the milk.
I'm just gonna eat it.
How'd it
I'll
go?
put the lid on and put the milk away.
Yeah, it worked really well.
That means I'm next. So now it's time for round 2 where I'm going to be making a sandwich and I'm choosing a peanut butter and jelly sandwich because that's going to be super difficult. Let's go.
They're dripping. Bread. So you get the back of it and you roll it out.
I'm trying to like...
onto the floor.
Alright, let's...
Like that.
Wait, that's not as full as I thought it was. It's like this cheap ketchup bottle.
I think they got it. They don't need to see my
You know,
eyes.
that wasn't so difficult.
I'm eating my cereal. Bada bing.
Stand back up. You know what, let's just arms it. How'd you do? Cool, done. There's no way to open
No assist.
There's no way to open up the fridge with the beef.
Gotta have that confidence. Why do we just have mayo?
Mayo, light mayonnaise. We need heavy mayonnaise.
Why do we have so many pickles? You can see there's like 4 things of pickles.
Is this wrong?
It was a little bit of a cheater.
Well, I really don't want it to fall. That worked. I was gonna use my elbows, but there's no way to get it to my elbows.
Oh no.
You can't see what's happening, but everything's
You don't even have claws.
I'm trying to get that good presentation, fan.
Okay.
Don't you
I thought you were gonna rip through it.
I need a what?
plate?
She's right.
You don't necessarily need a plate.
Well, I don't necessarily need one, but I want the size for a plate.
I don't need a spoon.
Woo!
That was
Mr.
such a...
Krabs is pretty uncoordinated.
Dump it out of the bag.
Just dump it all out. You don't want to do that. That's lame.
Sure, I
I
don't
got
want
it out normally.
I think you should dump it.
Who wants it?
Nobody likes eating.
I mean,
Butt of the bread.
it's good for like toast from time to time, but it's only a rare occasion. Oh, that was 2.
This is like Octodad.
No, yeah, you're right. Have that piece of bread go back to where it was. And like Jonah did, I'm gonna leave this open because I cannot do a twist tie.
Or like Noah every time without lobster claws. If that fell on the floor right now, it'd be funny.
Now, how am I supposed to do this? So
I didn't open enough where you could just knock it off. You just gotta loosen it. Dude, no one likes great Kroger brand.
I hold the plate still. This isn't working.
For the jelly.
Ooh, look at that.
Or the jam. Actually, that's the jam. Wow, Emma, you're really getting an even spread there. You don't want to use 2 knives, so which one do you do first, peanut butter or jelly? I always do peanut butter because, like, there's not going to be a lot left
I always
on
do-
the thing.
I always do the jelly because it's easier to lick off.
But then you get jelly in the cream. Wait, but then
You
your
lick
tongue.
you lick off the
But-
jelly, get a new knife.
Why would you get a new knife? That's the whole point I'm making. That you don't want to get a new knife.
No, you use the bread to wipe the clean piece of bread to wipe off your knife and then use the knife and just.
Oh.
Oh,
what I
that's
do.
good, yeah.
I'm just ripping up this piece of bread.
I think you should pick it up and let it slide down onto the bread. Yes. No, I think
Do you know how incredibly
get your
difficult
claw
that's
in
gonna
there like you just were doing and then hold it like that so it goes through the claw. Yeah. There you
So,
go.
like-
Yeah, now we wait patiently. Just give it time.
I think it's gonna get stuck.
Give it time.
Oh, look at that.
That's good.
Now let's spread this jam.
Did you know that juice is where they use the juice? Jelly
I
is
know.
where they use the juice. But the
Preservatives?
jam is wherever they use natural ingredients.
I knew that.
Well, I don't think our viewers knew that, Emma, Mrs. Smarty Pants.
I learned it in like 3rd grade when I was still in public school. Alright, let's...
What does it taste?
It tastes like...
Krabby?
It tastes like peanut butter and jelly.
Really?
Alright, so this is round 3, and I'm going to be making myself a Krabby Patty.
Beautiful ground beef burgers.
I think it was the.
Oh! Our dad unlocked
You're
it
doing
for
this
you.
in a very... Why are you doing it
Oh!
like that?
Oh!
Why don't you...
Why didn't you, like, grab the handle?
That's such a bad way.
You
You know what is it? Oh! Holy moly! Okay.
Holy moly.
Oh!
Gonna be a couple of clangs, a couple of clashes.
Oh! This is going more smoothly than I thought it would! Okay.
No, I think you're doing this badly. You need to put pressure
Let's
on
light.
it.
Let's light it.
Yeah.
Alright, it's lit.
Haha.
A little better put cheese on it.
You can get that one.
You got a Fruit Loop?
Jimmy, it in there! Gotta
No, you need to dump them out. Grab it by the bottom and dump them out. There you
Yeah! Don't burn yourself.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So leave the fridge open like that? Oh,
That was
nice!
good.
Did you see how? Oh!
Floor burger.
Where's your plate?
Fine, it's a neat plate.
Burger King floor burger.
Burger King burger is someone's floor.
Turns
It's
out
like a bowl.
that might be what
You know what? I'll just do this bowl.
always gonna break the bowl.
There it was.
Oops.
As predicted, no one broke the
Accidents
bowl.
happen.
We all knew
I
this
thought
was
it
gonna
was
happen.
ready.
You get these
Done
Pizza
nicely.
Hut plates. Like these very light,
Oh, I didn't see
easy
them.
to get Pizza
I
Hut
didn't see the pizza
plates.
plate.
Moving on.
This is such like Octodad.
It's fine.
Broke the giant bowl. He was.
As predicted, mine is also the hardest.
Yeah.
So stop saying
How's that predictable?
that, because I literally cannot do this without
Well,
breaking
you
it.
could have grabbed the other plate.
Burger King glass burgers.
You know, if this were me, the house would be on fire. So, be happy I didn't choose this one. Try and peel it or something.
Boy, oh boy, is it windy out there.
Believe it.
Is Wendy working today?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my gosh. Ugh.
How's that burger going, Noah?
Yeah. How's it hanging? There's a slice of cheese on the floor.
Yeah.
Watch this video be our claim to fame.
It's so funny. I hope
You're
it becomes
jinxing it
like.
again.
Oh wow. I don't think jinxing is a real thing. Getting that ketchup. Getting that coin.
What is happening? What is going on?
Don't drop the plate.
So why are you doing it over me?
That sounds like it could be a Lord song. I'm sweeping over here. It's like Mr. Krabs forgets he has claws sometimes, you know?
Almost the most relatable sentence you ever said.
Boy, ooh.
Now turn it upside down. No.
I don't want to do this. I quit.
Angle the bottom more. Like,
I really am trying, Emily, you know? This is harder than you think it is.
Oh!
oh, he's done and did it.
So, here we go.
No topping?
You will hold it with both claws.
Man,
And how is it?
is it cooked thoroughly? Is it cooked to
I don't
perfection?
think crabs eat like that. The crabs chomp it.
Cut Their Kitchen should
All
learn
in.
from us. All in Brown.
They took
watch
it off of
this
Netflix.
video.
I'm suing.
Comment down below which round is your favorite and who you think won, per se. So, thank you for watching. Actually, also comment down below more challenge ideas. Now back to my intro. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube. Also, comment down below if you want to see more videos where I shatter bowls.
No! Don't do that! Click these rectangles instead. They let you watch more videos and click this circle because it lets you subscribe.
You know you want to.
Eat on them.
See ya!